Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three.
Good morning, everyone. For those joining us for the first time, welcome to the quarterly strategic alignment session. My name is Inga, and I serve as your Chief Feline Officer and Head of Product Development here at Psyche Electroacoustic Opera Company. Yes, you heard that right. I'm afraid we've convened today under less than optimal circumstances. The long-term sustainability of our artisanal instrument division necessitates a frank and open discussion regarding a recent unforeseen challenge. As some of you are aware, our esteemed founder and Chief Innovation Officer, Dr. Liza, a brilliant mind, I assure you, encountered a slight deviation from our standard operating procedures during the finishing stage of our latest laser-carved resonator box. The decision to utilize tape for securing the workpiece during an extended high-temperature laser cycle in our non-climate controlled Florida facility resulted in a, shall we say, persistent residue. We'll table the discussion on HVAC and adherence to regulatory guidelines from our Environmental Health and Safety Department for a subsequent deep dive. The immediate concern is the aforementioned tackiness. Following an intensive cross-functional collaboration between our creative synergy team and the research and development division, a meeting that, I might add, extended well beyond core business hours, we arrived at a corrective action plan. This involved a controlled abrasion of the affected surfaces, followed by a value-added decorative laser embellishment. Our initial design concepts were rapidly prototyped, leveraging readily available AI-assisted visual generation platforms, specifically assets sourced through Microsoft Designer. These were then meticulously refined and prepared for digital fabrication by our in-house graphics optimization unit using GIMP. Mr. Moore, our newly appointed chairman of the board, welcome aboard, by the way. I trust your onboarding is proceeding smoothly. I would strongly advise you to prioritize familiarizing yourself with our proprietary laser engraving workflow. Comprehensive documentation of this mission-critical process is available exclusively to our valued newsletter subscribers. You can gain immediate access by clicking the subscription link in the video description below, and then locating newsletter number 5 within your confirmation email. Should you not receive this communication within the standard service level agreement timeframe, please consult your spam filter and ensure our domain is whitelisted. Subsequent to dimensional verification, all measurements are meticulously captured in millimeters. Our laser etching specialists utilized Inkscape for pre-production image vectorization and alignment mark generation, ultimately driving the laser cutter via the laser Gerbil interface. Ah, I see a raised hand in the participant panel. Yes? The make and model of our laser engraving apparatus? While that information is indeed detailed in the video description for transparency purposes, I must reiterate the importance of first understanding our core proprietary procedure as outlined in newsletter number 5. Let's maintain focus on the strategic overview for now. While the final output of the corrected piece was, fortunately, deemed commercially viable, this is frankly immaterial to the performance review at hand. Yes, Dr. Liza's foundational contributions and capital investment are duly noted. However, we have a fiduciary responsibility to consider the operational efficiencies and resource allocation moving forward. This incident incurred significant and frankly avoidable expenditure of both time and materials. Therefore, I now request that all board members submit their preliminary recommendations regarding this matter in the comments section below. Your collective input will directly inform the agenda for tomorrow's urgent search committee meeting. Please provide your assessments at this time. Thank you. Oh, wait. Another raised hand? Yes? How am I communicating with you all? I'm telepathic. Now, please, the recommendations. The clock is ticking.